Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to hard reset iQOO Z9 Lite 5G smartphone. Okay, this is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, enter password and you can see incorrect password. Here you can see incorrect password. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. Okay, to do hard reset, first power off your smartphone. Press the volume up and power key together. Now simply tap on power off. Okay, now it is successfully power off. Now press and hold the volume up and power key together. Press and hold the volume up and power key together for a few seconds. Press and hold it. Now release the power key and keep pressing the volume up key, and you can see now you are in iQOO 5G fast boot mode. Now here you have reboot and recovery mode. Now go to recovery mode. Volume key is to move up and down and power button to confirm. Go to recovery mode and now confirm. So here you can see. Now here you can see install software, clear data, check system and enter safe mode is available, and on bottom restart and power off is available. Now go to clear data and here you can see clear cache and clear all data. Over there you can see. Now simply click on clear all data. So over there you can see on bottom, here you can see on bottom, all data on this device will be cleared, including important data such as contacts, photos and SMS messages. Data cannot be recovered if cleared. Proceed with caution. Here you can see. Okay, now simply tap on OK. So here you can see now it is clearing data. Do not use the device. Kindly wait. It might take some time. So here you can see cleared, all data cleared. Now tap on return. Now here go back and restart or power off the iQOO Z9 Lite 5G smartphone. Okay, restart your device. Now tap on OK. And guys, after restart it might take some time to boot up the device, and if it is asked for password, pin or pattern, use Google to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset iQOO Z9 Lite 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query latest video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.